Snot Rocket Day.
Morning.
Alright. Back end of the trails merged in with the clouds. I'm going to have to rely on photos here, aren't I? Okay, I can see the trail, but there we are. They're definitely cloud seeding because over in the other direction there's faded trails. Split up, long split up. Become clouds. There you have it. Ton of fake clouds in that direction. Hopefully I can salvage some of this video. Another weaponised airliner. But all I end up with is a white line and a black dot. You can make out the plane as such, but you can't make out any markings on it. But yeah, we're under attack today in Darlington. That's well in the distance. They're virtually over the Pennines, which is quite a distance away from us. According to flight radar anyway, and about 36,000 foot, so you know, I'm pushing my luck with this camera, any camera to be honest. Anyway, there's the skyline. Darlington's under attack again.